Hello world, hello Twitch, hello world, hello everybody. Today, sorry about yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I didn't, I could not uh, uh, do this stream. Actually, I'm traveling. I'm not in my home, so I'm in a hotel now. This is the reason why I'm not like. Yesterday I could not do this. Also today, yeah, and I'm doing this from my laptop. So in home I use my desktop. I had to do everything here to make the Rust work and everything back here. Also, I am using this new microphone. I'm actually testing here, so I'm in a hotel room. I don't know if I have the best studio condition like that. So yeah, I don't know why I'm looking to the microphone, and yeah, I'm still learning how to deal with this microphone and stuff. But well, hopefully this will improve the stream. I don't know if today it will improve because I'm still uh, learning how to mix the sound, how to put the sound in the right volume to make everything work without noise. Also, I'm using my laptop, so I'm using a portable monitor here as a second monitor. This is why I'm keeping moving my head there, and that's it. So no more rants for today. No, let's get started. So yeah, on Friday we got this excellent. The Nintendo is not working. Oh, I think the window capture here is not good. Yeah. Well, so let me see if this. I don't know how this. Well. Not sure if this why this is not working. Actually, there is this transparency here, which I'm trying to fix. Why is that happening? I don't want any transparency here. Filters. Okay, let me remove this. Let me add a new window capture. Now you're fine, so let me just grab this and increase the size and then start it again. And ta-da! Ta-da! We have our Nintendo working. Great, that's great, that's awesome. Now we are, so yeah, let me check here. Hopefully I will find it now just okay. So, let me also open something to help me controlling of this stuff. Yeah. So I think this could be good somehow. Let's see. There's a television here. So yeah, now I think I can just see my face there. Everything will be fine. Hopefully. So, guys and girls and everybody which is watching, this is what we are today. So somehow this Nintendo logo is stuck. Yeah, we need to understand why this is stuck and why this, well, why we are so, yeah, why we are there. I'm not sure where we are. So let me do one thing here. I will not use the debug yet. I will use our, so I will just put, okay, let me remove this parameter. I think it's here. I don't like the show parameter. I think it's this. I don't like this. Okay. Now we are good to go. So here I will just put this debug flag back and let's see what we have. Actually, it's installed, but so of course it slowed down the program. Our Nintendo is appearing slowly, but yeah, we can also see that wait. Let me see if I can. If here it's better. Yeah, maybe it's better. But anyway, it's still very. It slowed down everything. We are trying to do here is just see if we are able to to see where we are. But yeah, so let me do one thing here. I will go to CPU and then to execute, and then I will go to. So I know this CP is something because let me. I know from what we saw already that there is some loops that pass through this CP90. CP. So this one, I will do something here. I will do this. So if n is equal to 0.9, I will start debugging. So self debug, self debug. Yeah. Why is that? This. Oh. So, and then okay, so now we are just turning on our print stuff when we get there, so it will be faster. Hopefully. No. Oh, maybe. No, I've saved it. And then. Oh. Still very slow. Okay, so. Yeah. I will go to the right way of doing stuff. I will start debugging. Yeah, I will turn off this debugging, and we are seeing it going right. So I will just put the debug here. It will stay here. So we are seeing from our. I don't know if the screen is allowing you guys to see what is in my debug. Let me see if I can. Yeah, sorry about this setup stuff because font size. Hopefully now it is better. It seems that it is kind of better. So let's see what we have here. So our program counter is 100. So our code already passed. Yeah, if you see here, our code is not in the. Oh, sorry. This is not in Excel. It should be in Excel because I activated this. Oh, I think I need to go here. here and debugger show us. Okay. Then I think just stop and go to Debugger again. Let's okay. So let's go. Da-na-na-na-na. We have our Nintendo here. So now we are stuck, right? We don't know where we are, so let's put it here and yeah, we saw we are actually in 0 ED. Okay, so ED is here. Do this for 30 bytes. Compare the logo. So I think this is in loop. This is the loop. Compare the logo data with the card ROM. If not match, lock up here. Oh, it should match. Okay. So let's continue. Yeah, 30. So yeah, it's going. So if you see here, we have EA, which is here. E9. Okay, so let's. Which is the instruction? Okay, we have an instruction. Yeah. So it's a CP35. That's it. So load AL, yeah, here. So yeah, we are there. Then we go here, CP034 as it here, and then we go to EF, which is JRNZ to this address, which is this address, and somehow it is like getting stuck. So the next one is E6 again. So it's get back here. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's remove this and let's continue and see if we. The screen is still frozen. Let's put it back here, and we are still here. So yeah, let me try to understand what this code, this part of the code is trying to do. It loads pointing to the Nintendo logo in the DMG ROM. Oh, actually, this part is comparing the logo. This is the part that it's actually comparing the logo. And if you see here, the load HL point HL to the Nintendo logo in the card. So in the HL, okay. So now we need to see if E7. Okay, let me go one more. Okay, we have a G EF. we are here again. Okay, so let's back. E6, E7, E8. So now we are checking this instruction. So CP, HL. So we are now here. Let me do one thing here. Let me just put this here. And okay, so we are in E8. Oh, I think I know what's the problem. See this program counter is going to EA, but it should be E9 since the program counter is just 1. Let me understand. Okay, so we also do PC here. So let me remember here the CP. Okay, let's go here. So the CPL. So CP. Okay, let me go to the CP. Let me see what is CPL. CPHL. So BE. Okay, let me confirm that. B. Yeah, it's because it's always B.
Hello! No, don't say that, Ali Mohan.
Actually, it's not hard. For me, it's less harder than C++, for example. C++, for me, it's much harder. Because, you know, there are a lot of stuff to learn and there are a lot of points to find an issue and a lot of other stuff. So for me, Rust is easier than C++. Of course, it's harder than I mean, it's just scared. It scared you more than it's harder. When you see this first time, it looks like it's something big, but it's not that big. Actually, it's a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun working here, learning Rust. And as any other language, you need to learn every day. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff. I use a lot of JavaScript, and I don't know JavaScript yet. I consider myself that I don't know JavaScript yet because every day I need to learn something. Python is the same, and so yeah. But it's fun. It's fun to work. You have fun when you are working with Rust. So where we are? Yeah. So here, B. Okay. So okay. Oh, there is one bug in our CP stuff. Oh, wait. No, sorry. Not a bug. Not yet. No, actually it's a bug, yeah. Because if you see here, this CP, so CPHL, CPHL is actually only one, not two. So yeah, I need to remove this part. And I think now we could have a surprise. Let's see. Okay, so let's move this and Nintendo logo again. Let's see how it's doing. It's still slow from I think, I don't know. Yeah, so now it get here. I will just continue that. What happened? Great, we found a new instruction that we didn't implement it yet. So yeah, we are back on track. We start implementing stuff again. Great. So I'm very excited about that. So just run from command line here. So cargo run, just to see if that's without the backtrace. Yeah, I'm kind of worried about the speed, but let's see. So we have now an unrecognized byte at F4. Let me see if F4 is still on the... Yeah, it's an add, of course, because we didn't implement an add yet. So let's implement it. So I don't know if we implemented or not. In instructions, there is an add. No, there isn't. So I will do so 868 6. Great. So this is a add HL. Let me just this is a math command. So this actually this is no. Yeah, this is add. So this is six. Let me see here. 86. It's add n to a. Okay. So let me start. Where is the sub? Sub. Yeah, here. Actually, this is. I will do like add a, add a, b, add a, c, add a, d, add a, e, add a, h, add a, l, add a, h, l, and add a and U8. Okay, now we have the instructions, so let's decode that. CPU and decode. So what we'll put is side by side with add, so let's do this. It should be something like 87. Instruction add a And okay, so let me do one thing here. Okay. So let's continuing. Okay, AB, which is 80. Boom, 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 boom. I think this open camera is kind of better. Yeah, I'm using the camera of the laptop. This laptop, it's not that good like the one that I have in home, and that's why I have no zoom. But I think it's nice. This open. I'm thinking about buying those green stuff to have more screen to share. I actually think that this could work here. Actually, let me try. If I do this, there is some transform, filter, image mask. No, I actually don't know how to do this stuff, and I will not do that live because I don't know. It will take too much time. So let me do this. AB, AC, AC81. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and then I will do like 2, 3, oops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and 6. Here is a D, a E, a H, no, not that, H, A, L, oh, yeah, it's H and A, L. Okay, so L. It's 6 here, and here is a HL, and here is a and 1 as U8. Okay, now we have, so if we run this again, and wait for this Nintendo logo scroll down. Hopefully the sound is good. If anybody which is watching us think that the sound's not good, please let me know. I don't know if this sound is good or not. I think it is, right? I'm just testing here to see if it's good or not. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, and here, okay, we didn't implement a HL, but we will do now. Yeah. I think we already did duet. Do sun. Why I put this like sun? Okay, now we have this duet. So let me copy this and implement the add, like add a, and this is add a, and it is duet. It should be like this, right? I don't think that. And let's see. Okay, add a B, B, A, C, D, C. It's okay, so now I see D, now I D, poker face, oops, A, D, A, E, so this is here. What is the problem now? So A, E, A, H. Oh, let me see one thing here. I'm curious about the performance. Yeah, streaming consumes a lot of CPU. So yeah, I'm using to have that microphone. which I don't need anymore because I have this new. I'm a podcaster now. No, not yet. So add HL. What's that? Dun, dun, dun. So now I have this HL. And how I did this sub HL. I didn't. I didn't. But I did it here, which is almost the same. Okay. Oops. So let me this way. So now HL. Why this is not formatting? I want this to format. Just format. Okay. No. It's not working. Oh, maybe it's because of this. No. Somehow my Rust format is not work. Let me see if I do this. And restart. So yeah, maybe. Let's see this thing here. Do you know anything? No Rust format. Why? Let me see. I think Rust. I have Rust format. I still didn't get why it is not work. I don't know. Okay, so we have H16, we have HL, which is this address. But in this case, is do add I need it to be mutable. I just need this to be self A equals to do and self A with the content, because when it's this way, it's the content. So red byte HL. Yeah, I think that's it. So let's see. Let's see if this will work. Okay, it's working now. Nintendo, bling. And fail for because of unrecognized byte 00 on PC 11. Oh, whoa, whoa, we are outside. And it's not finding anything in the memory. Okay, so let me do one thing here. Okay, I will put a breakpoint here and I will debug, and let's see if because remember that the first part of the memory is our boot ROM, but the second part is already the Tetris game. So when we get here, it is failing or not failing. When we get here, we have, so this is the program counter. Let's see the run. Actually, let's see. The first 255 positions in the memory are our boot ROM. Oh, this is 0. Yeah, the very first one is 0. And why is that? Okay, let's see what is 0. 0, I think it's not. Yeah, it's not. We did not implement the knob because knob is knob, but knob sometimes is useful. Let's put the knob in the right place and then continue seeing if something appears on the screen. Maybe the Tetris game will gonna be displayed. Oh, and also today I think I will have like just 1 hour of stream because I spent too much time with this setting up this whole stuff here. Maybe I come back later because I need to go to dinner and I have a lot of stuff to do, work to do. But I will finish this part. Okay, let's just put it here. So knob is knob. What is knob? So knob is knob. Okay. Then yeah, I need to execute the knob. And let's put the instruction. What we should do in the knob, I think. No operation. Yeah, nothing. Just increment the. Just increment the opcodes and stuff. So yeah, it's just 1 byte. And 40 and 1 N, and that's it. Okay, so let's see what goes next. I think we are about to see something after the Nintendo logo. And what is that? It's an error. After the Nintendo logo comes an error because we have new instructions that are not implemented. And now it's a C3. No, C3. It's a jump 16. Okay, it's a GP. I think we don't have the GP. Okay, so let's put the GP here. Okay, GPU. Let's see this GP stuff. What is it? Jumps. So jump to address 2 byte immediate value. Go. So it's 16 and it's just a jump, unconditional jump. So yeah, let's go for it. Okay, let's go here and go. Where are the jumps up here? So we got this, and this jump is C3. So C3 in this case is JP, and JP got a D16. Which is a red 16 byte, okay? And then we go to execute. GR, and it's after this GR stuff. So it's GP, the 16. It is GP and N is the D16. And how much we need to increment? Okay, so the self PC. So this is something. If I jump, it's not a call, it's a jump, right? So I just put this I think that's it, right? Okay, so I put it here, and it takes 16 cycles and 4, and yeah, that's it. Let's see what's next in our Nintendo. Okay, more arrows, probably because it's not implemented. So F3. See, now I have spent more time implementing. Is this F3? DI? What is DI? It's new. DI. Yeah, something. These instructions disable interrupts, but not immediately. Interrupts are disabled after instruction. Aha! Now I think we need to implement the interrupts, which we didn't yet. So interrupts are something it's easier than I thought, but it's not so easy. This Game Boy emulation JavaScript from Iram Nazar. He explained this a very good way. And so yeah, what it explained here is that, let me see what time is it. Yeah, I think I will start this interrupts part on the next video, because I need to go dinner. Maybe I get back later, but I have work to do, so I will try to return to stream today. If not, tomorrow I will do a longer streaming. Anyway, I need to have something to eat, and I have some work to do today. So I will stop by today's. So just wrap up what we did today. We finally, our emulator is running in a code that is not in the Boot ROM. So we are already working on Tetris instructions that we didn't implement it yet, because, as I said, I got this. My strategy to work is like implementing all the instructions necessary to run the Boot ROM, and after that we are going now into the Tetris ROM, which is an actual game, and I mean to continue with that strategy. I'm implementing the instructions as it appearing on the game. And right now we are in an instruction called DI. Which is a specific instruction to disable interrupts. So now we get so we already did some part of the PPU, because we have to show something in the screen. We did that part of controlling the scan lines, the mode, the PPU mode, the PPU mode, and so on. That was part of PPU and not part of any instruction. And for actually implementing this DI instruction, I will gonna need to implement the interrupts system, which is something that will work with all CPU, memory management unit, and also PPU. But I didn't implement it yet, so I need to implement that first. before I actually implement this kind of instruction. So I will do that in the next episode. Probably tomorrow. I am not back streaming today, but tomorrow I will try to make a bigger episode to compensate yesterday and today that I did a smaller one. So I hope that you like it. Thank you for watching. I will upload this video in the YouTube channel as usual, and we will be back tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.